Hi, friends. Welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hey everyone, I'm Tom and this is Lily, and we are your English learning friends.
If you are new here, welcome to the family. We are so happy you found us.
Every single day, we help you speak English with more confidence. If you want the transcripts, vocabulary, and slow audio versions, check the join button below.
Today's topic is so important. We are talking about how to practice English every day and speak confidently, fast.
Learn fast. I love that word.
Yes! And if this is your first time here, welcome to the family. We create a new English podcast every single day.
Every single day, so hit that subscribe button right now. Don't wait, do it.
We have 9,200 amazing people in this family already, and today you are joining us. We are so happy you are here.
Okay, Lily, are we ready? Because I am very ready.
You are always very ready, Tom.
That is true. That is very true.
Okay, before we start today's lesson, I have a question for you.
Ooh, a question. I love this part.
Tom made a very funny mistake this week while practicing his English. Do you want to know what he did?
Lily, no.
Comment below. Write, "Yes, tell me," and we will tell you at the end of the episode.
Okay, fine, but I will say it was not that bad.
It was pretty bad.
Moving on.
Tom, can I ask you something?
Of course. What's up?
How do you practice English every day?
Oh, great question. Every morning I listen to English podcasts, like this one.
Like this one. Good answer.
And I talk to myself in English in the shower.
You talk to yourself in the shower?
Every day I say things like, "Good morning, Tom. Today is a great day."
That is actually really smart.
Thank you. I think so too.
What else do you do?
I read signs when I walk outside. Bus stop, coffee shop, restaurant menu. I read everything in English.
Oh, I do that too. I read the menu at cafes, even when I already know what I want.
Me too. I always order the same thing, but I still read the whole menu.
Because it's practice.
Exactly. Everything is practice.
Okay, let's talk about grammar for a moment. Today's grammar point is simple, but very useful.
It's the present simple tense for habits and routines.
Yes, we use present simple to talk about things we do every day, every week, things we do regularly.
Like practicing English.
Exactly. Let me show you the structure. It's easy. Listen.
Are you ready? Here we go.
I practice English every day.
I listen to podcasts every morning.
She reads English books at night.
He watches English videos on YouTube.
Did you hear the pattern? The verb is simple. Practice, listen, read, watch.
No ing, no will, just the simple form.
Tom, can you make a sentence?
Yes, I talk to myself in the shower every morning.
Perfect and very personal.
Thank you. I try.
Now you try. Pause the video, make your own sentence. Use I practice English every day by...
Tell us your sentence in the comments. We read every single one.
We really do. Okay, now let's talk about real tips, real habits, things you can start today to practice English every day and speak more confidently.
We have 8 tips for you. 8!
Tip number 1.
This is my favorite tip, and yes, it's the shower thing.
Tell them the story, Tom.
Okay. So last Tuesday morning, I am in the shower and I am practicing my English. I say, "Good morning. Today I will eat breakfast. I will eat eggs and toast.
Sounds normal so far.
And then I walk out of the bathroom, and my roommate is standing there, drinking coffee, looking at me.
Oh no.
He says, "Tom, who are you talking to?" And I say, "Myself," in English. And he says, "For how long?" And I say, "About 15 minutes."
15 minutes?
He didn't say anything. He just walked away.
That is amazing.
But my English got better, so worth it.
Talking to yourself is great practice. You are not embarrassed. There's no pressure. You can make mistakes. It's safe.
Safe and private, except when your roommate is there.
Try this today. When you wake up, say, "Good morning. My name is," and say your name. "Today is," and say the day. Simple.
Repeat after me. Good morning. Today is a great day to practice English.
Say it out loud. Don't be shy. Tip number 2. Change your phone language to English.
This one is powerful.
I did this 2 years ago, and at first, it was scary. I didn't understand everything.
What happened?
The first day, I couldn't find my settings. I was looking for, I don't know the word in English, the place where you change the brightness.
Display settings?
Yes! I spent 10 minutes looking. 10 minutes! Just for brightness.
That's so good.
But after 1 week, I knew every word. Home screen, lock screen, notifications, battery, storage, all of it.
Because you see those words 100 times a day.
Exactly. Repetition is the key. You don't study it, you just see it over and over.
So today, go to your phone settings, change the language, be brave.
And if you get lost, just Google it in English.
Good tip inside a tip. Tip number 3. Watch English videos with English subtitles.
Not your own language subtitles, English subtitles.
This is very important. When you read your own language, your brain is lazy. It stops listening.
Your brain says, "Oh, I understand the subtitles. I don't need to listen."
Yes, lazy brain.
But English subtitles, your brain works. You listen and you read at the same time.
Double practice.
I have a fun story about this. Last year, I was watching an American cooking show with English subtitles.
Oh, which show?
I don't remember the name, but there was a chef, and he said, "This dish is to die for."
Oh, to die for. That's an expression.
I know that now, but at the time, I was terrified.
You were scared?
I started laughing. I paused the video and I called my friend. I said, "Someone is going to die in this cooking show."
Lily!
My friend said, "Lily, no, it means the food is very, very delicious."
To die for. It means something is so good, you would die for it.
I learned that expression very fast. I will never forget it.
That's the power of watching. Real English, real expressions.
Start with 10 minutes a day. Just 10 minutes. You can do it.
Tip number 4. Very important. When you see a new word, say it out loud.
Don't just read it in your head. Your mouth needs to practice too.
Your brain knows a word, but your mouth doesn't.
This is so true. I know so many words that I can read and understand, but when I try to say them, nothing comes out.
Your mouth freezes.
It does. It freezes. The word is inside my brain, but it can't get to my mouth.
The word is like, let me out, let me out.
Yes, exactly like that.
So when you learn a new word today, say it 3 times out loud.
Let's practice right now. Repeat after us. Ready?
Confident.
Say it. Confident.
I feel confident.
Practice.
I practice English every day.
Speak.
I speak English.
Yes! Did you say it out loud? Good! That is how you build speaking confidence.
Say it. Feel it. Believe it. I speak English.
Tip number 5. Use English in the kitchen.
The kitchen?
Yes. When you cook, name everything in English. The things around you.
Like a walking dictionary.
Exactly. Point at things. Say the word. Spoon, fork, plate, cup, fridge, stove.
Oh, this is fun. I did something like this.
Tell us.
Okay, so one evening I was making dinner and I decided to label everything in my kitchen with sticky notes in English.
I love that idea.
I put a note on the fridge that says fridge, a note on the door that says door, a note on my cup that says cup.
Very organized, Tom.
And then my mom called me on video and she saw all my sticky notes.
What did she say?
She said, "Tom, are you okay? Why are labels on everything?" And I said, "I'm practicing English, Mom." And she said, "Tom, you are not 5 years old."
Your mom.
But it worked. I still remember every word.
Sticky notes are a fantastic idea. Put them everywhere. Kitchen, bedroom, bathroom. Learn the words around you first.
Tip number 6. Find one person to practice English with.
Just one. You don't need 10 people, just one friend. One person who wants to practice English too.
You can meet online. There are many apps, many websites, many communities.
Or maybe someone at school, at work, in your neighborhood.
And here is the key. Make a rule. When you are together, only English.
Only English. No cheating.
No sneaking in your own language because it's easier.
Tom and I do this sometimes. When we record, we only speak English.
Yes, even when it's hard, even when I forget a word.
What do you do when you forget a word?
I describe it. I say, the thing you use to, and I describe the object.
Yes, that is real English skill. When you can describe something you don't know the word for, you are speaking.
You're not just memorizing, you're communicating.
Find your English partner. Practice together. Make mistakes together. Laugh together.
And comment below if you want an English practice partner. Our community will help you.
Tip number 7. Keep a small English journal.
A journal? Like a diary?
Yes, but very simple. Every day, write 3 sentences in English.
Just 3, not 30. 3.
Today, I ate rice. The weather is hot. I feel tired. That's it.
3 sentences every day for 1 year. That is 1,095 sentences.
And after 6 months, read your old sentences. You will see how much you have improved.
That is so motivating.
I have a journal story. When I started my journal, my first sentence was, "Today I am happy."
That's sweet.
Every single day. Today I am happy for 3 weeks.
The same sentence?
Because it was the only sentence I knew, and I was always happy, so it was true.
Valid. Very valid.
But after 3 weeks, I wrote, "Today I am happy because I ate a big bowl of noodles and the noodles were warm and delicious."
Look at that improvement.
3 weeks. The sentences grow, your English grows too.
Tip number 8. And this is maybe the most important one.
What is it?
Celebrate your small progress every day.
Aw, I love this one.
When you learn one new word today, celebrate. Say, "I did it. I learned a word today."
When you say one sentence in English and someone understands you, celebrate.
When you watch an English video and understand one sentence, Celebrate.
Many people stop studying English because they think they are not good enough. They think, I am too slow. My English is bad.
But they forget how far they have come.
You are here right now, listening to English, understanding English. That is already amazing.
You are already practicing. You are already improving. Right now, this moment.
And we are so proud of you.
We are genuinely proud of you.
So today, after this video, do something to celebrate. Eat your favorite snack. Tell yourself, I am learning. I am growing.
And subscribe to this channel because we celebrate with you every single day.
Okay, let's review. 8 tips to practice English every day and speak confidently.
Tip 1. Talk to yourself in English. In the shower, in the kitchen, anywhere.
Tip 2. Change your phone language to English.
Tip 3. Watch English videos with English subtitles.
Tip 4. Say new words out loud 3 times.
Tip 5. Use English in the kitchen. Name everything.
Tip 6. Find one English-speaking partner.
Tip 7. Write 3 sentences in English every day. Keep a journal.
And tip 8. Celebrate your small progress every single day.
Which tip is your favorite? Tell us in the comments.
Write your favorite number, 1 to 8. Let's see which is the most popular.
That's all for today, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.
You are amazing. Seriously, every day you show up to learn. That takes courage.
Keep going. Don't stop. One day, one tip, one sentence at a time.
And we will be here tomorrow with a brand new lesson because we post every single day.
So subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit the notification bell, and we will see you tomorrow.
Bye for now.
Bye. And remember, one large coffee, not one pregnant coffee.
Goodbye, everyone.